Astronomy is all about the study of our universe. From backyard observers to professionals worldwide, it serves as a unique science, encompassing everything from mathematics to photography. The beauty of all of this is that just about anyone with an interest can take part in some way. In South Australia, we are lucky to experience frequent clear nights and a magnificent Southern Hemisphere sky. For those who want to become more involved, the Astronomical Society of South Australia provide a range of opportunities to people of all ages. The main observing facility at Stockport is located approximately 80 kilometres north of Adelaide, near the town of Hamley Bridge.
The role of the Astronomical Society is to provide a venue for its own members and members of the public in order to look at the night sky. We also provide a monthly meeting for our members and visitors where we have guest speakers. We do monthly viewing nights at all three of our observatories, and we also do a quarterly star party where we invite the public to come up and view through the telescopes here at Stockport. Three viewing locations that we use are Stockport Observatory here, which is 80 kilometres north of Adelaide. We've also got the Heights Observatory on the grounds of the Heights School at Modbury in the northeastern suburbs. And for our members and the public in the far southern areas of Adelaide, we use the observatory that we have established in the grounds of Girl Guides down at McLaren Flat. This is the Astronomical Society's 20-inch telescope. Now, if you had a look at it, you would see that down the bottom is a 20-inch mirror, and that's the piece of optics, that's the prime piece of optics that collects the light. It's best for looking at planets, the moon, fairly bright objects of relatively small size.
Learning the night sky may seem daunting to some, but with a little effort is surprisingly easy to grasp. The Mawson Lakes Planetarium serves as an excellent educational tool for this purpose, and several short courses are provided there. Being the only facility of this type in South Australia, it provides a relaxed and enjoyable atmosphere to learn in.
This particular planetarium was designed for surveyors to teach them how to recognise particular stars, but it's a wonderful instrument for teaching basic astronomy and teaching people which stars are which. That it's very easy to locate your position on Earth using the stars. The stars will tell you the time, they'll tell you the time of year if you like, and they give you lots of information if only you take the trouble just to learn a few basic things about how they appear to move, the shapes of some of the constellations so you can instantly recognise them. And as well as that, it's good fun. So it's good science, good fun, and very, very interesting and ongoing. There's always more and more to learn, and there's always more things happening. And the light passes through these holes and is projected onto the ceiling in such a manner that people sitting around in this beautiful room, leaning back in the chairs with all the lights out, can look up and be immediately transported to the Australian country way from all the light pollution, and can easily imagine that they're outside looking up at a beautiful Australian night sky.
There are several ways we can become involved in astronomy today, and one of these is through the internet. For example, monthly star charts for both hemispheres are provided as a free download from the Sky Maps website. For contact details regarding the Astronomical Society, you can visit their website at the address displayed. This site contains much information about them, including viewing locations and times, and is a great place to start.
I suppose a reason people enjoy astronomy so much, and it's something that people have done for as long as we can remember, right from the caveman to today. People always look up at the night sky and wonder. And I suppose it fills that sense of wonder when you can come to an observatory like this, look through a big telescope like this, and it brings the planets and the galaxies up close, and then you start to get a feel for what astronomy is, how big the universe is, when you're looking at a little faint patch of light in the telescope, and you know that light's been travelling for 60 million years or so. It's quite an incredible feeling. Also, many of the things that we look at have got a real beauty about them. So it's not just the science, but it's also just the beautiful nature, I suppose. I think it's fantastic.